Hey, I'm Steve Magnante here in Bogart, Georgia at the Tony Townley Collection, which on October 24th and 25th will be sold at auction by Richmond Auctions in its entirety, about 102 very special vehicles, one of which is this 1959 Edsel Corsair Convertible. Now, we know the Edsel was kind of a flop. Ford miscalculated the market, trying to shoot between Olds and Pontiac, but actually kind of shot themselves in the foot pricing these cars between Ford and Mercury. The Edsel was sort of a strange car that never really found its mark. Again, 59 was the second year for the Edsel, and the convertible models, out of 47,396 Edsels, only 1,343 were convertibles, one of which is right here. It is restored, but it's a beautifully loaded car, correctly presented, right down to the dual rear mirrors right here. Of course, the two-tone body paint, and even the rims and the hubcaps are matched to the two-tone effect on the car. It's a really eye-catching, very appealing looking car. Even the interior is done up in green and white to again match the vehicle. And it's a correct restoration. It's basically a factory correct appearance in every way. Nothing custom, nothing hot rodded. It's very pure. Under the hood, let's take a peek at what we have here. You might expect to see a Ford V8. Well, not so fast. These have something called the MEL, the Mercury Edsel Lincoln engine family, which is kind of unto itself, not quite the same as a Ford V8. And unlike the Fords of this year, where the hood would open like this, the Edsel opens from the front, hinged at the back. And of course, the iconic Edsel horseshoe radiator grill assembly. And here it is, the mighty 410 cubic inch and Edsel V8, also used in Lincoln engine or vehicles at this point in time. And a lot of power here. Factory air conditioning and a convertible, always a rare and desirable combination. There's the AC unit right there, factory installed. Power brakes, power steering. This one is loaded. And under the hood is correctly painted and detailed, just as it would have been when it left the factory at, I think, Wixom, Michigan is where these were assembled, I think. And again, this one has power windows, power seats, power everything. And it's just a great example of how 1959 was the next to last year for the Edsel. One of Ford's flops, but any car museum needs to have an Edsel in it. So bid strong. It's a very rare car, 1,343 made. That's it.